Hello, my name is Diana Bonilla. The person in the presentation is Marlena Costa. She is my mother. She is 60 years old and her birthday is on August 30th. She is from Bogota. She is a housewife. She enjoys cooking, exercise, shopping, and going to the spa. She is very keen and caring. She enjoys spending time with her family. She enjoys gardening in her free time. She is an important part of our family. Thank you.